Hi friends, welcome to another Tech Wrap Craft video. My name is Arlene from This Is Our House, and today we are going to be making this keychain that you see right there. We are going to be working with Illustrator, making our own art. We are going to be working with epoxy and some other things along the way. So if this is something you are interested in, just stay tuned. And of course, if you want to see more content like this, please press the subscribe button. Okay, this specific keychain glows in the dark and I am super excited to be working with it, but I want to add a little bit, something extra to make it unique. So I am going to mix the epoxy with this glitter that I bought from Amazon, and I am going to apply just a tad in the center of the keychain. Once I have that amount, I'm going to spread it around my keychain, and then I'm going to put the keychain under the UV light for 60 seconds. If you're wondering where I bought these tools to work with epoxy, I bought them online, also in Amazon. The epoxy is from Amazon as well. It's super inexpensive. And of course, I'm going to use my UV lights, my nail UV lights, because why not? Oh well, this is how it looks with the epoxy. Now we are going to make our design on Illustrator. Okay, I wanted something super simple, so this is what I came with. I tried to create a design space. You see two designs in here. We're going to be working on something else on the next video, so stay tuned. Remember, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to teckwrapcraft channel. I usually use holographic vinyl. It's what works for me. This is the color we're going to be using. Always remember to remove your protective layer. All Tech Wrap vinyls come with it. And you might see here 3 pieces of vinyl. It's because I am going to be making 3 cuts at the same time. But we are going to be working on that on another video. So remember, you have to subscribe if you want to see them. While I finish cutting my vinyl, I am going to be taking out my wooden tools. Of course, I am going to be using my wooden pen from Tech Wrap. This you can find on their website. Of course, I love it. I love the design of this pen and how easy it makes our work. So let's weed this vinyl. It's very easy to weed, but the letters are very small, so I am going to take my time with it because I don't want to mess this up. Did you see that? Yep, I'm missing a T. I had it on my finger and I found it afterwards and I put it back where it belongs. I could have edited this part, but I wanted to show you that this kind of things happen. Now, you might be asking, why did I leave that part in there? Glad you asked. I'm going to respond that question for you. The whole point is to let you know, if you are starting with to work with vinyl, if you are working with craft, or you started your crafting journey or whatever, it is that you are starting right now, don't get discouraged. You are going to lose material. You are going to mess up. You are going to make things wrong at some point, but at some point you will get better. So don't give up. Keep pressing on. You got this. This is the resin I use. I bought it from Amazon, as I said before. I am going to add just a thin layer of resin on the keychain because I don't want these letters to go nowhere. Once I have that, I use a lighter to make sure there are no bubbles. Once I have that done, I put my keychain under my UV light, and I found this cute charm and I added to the keychain just because I want it. And this is how it looks so far. Once I finish with it, I am going to put it to charge on the window so you can see it glowing in the dark. I'm going to find a dark place in here so you can see it glow. Let's wait a little bit longer, and I am going to put it under my desk. Look how it glows. I love it. I really love how it turned. If you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. This was Arlene from This Is Our House.